Namaste all. In this video, I have tried to explain two very particular sums based on the circumference and area of a circle. Let us understand them one by one. The first question is find the area of a circle circumscribing an equilateral triangle of side 15 centimeter. Circumscribing circle is a circle that passes through all the three vertices of the triangle, and to find its area we need to find its radius. We are given with an equilateral triangle of side 15 centimeter. Equilateral triangle is a symmetric figure, so its altitudes and medians are the same. So the line segment of median or altitude that falls on the opposite side, making 90 degrees as well as bisecting it. Now we have two smaller right angled triangles in which, by using Pythagoras theorem, length of the median can be calculated. In this case, the length of the median h is 7.5 root 3 centimeter. We know all three medians are equal in equilateral triangle, and the point where they meet is called centroid. Centroid of a triangle divides the median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex side. Here we have three equal medians, and the point of their intersection, that is centroid, divides them in the same ratio. So we can say that the centroid is at equal distance from all the three vertices. You can see the red colored highlighted part of medians. Hence, centroid is also the center of a circle circumscribing the triangle, as you can see in the diagram. Therefore, the radius of this circle will be 2/3 of the length of the median, which will be 5 root 3 centimeter. So the area of the circle pi r square will be equal to 235.5 centimeter squared. Another question is to find the area of incircle of an equilateral triangle of side 18 centimeter. Incircle of a triangle is a circle that touches all the three sides of a triangle. Here we are given with an equilateral triangle of side 18 centimeter. So just as we did in the previous question of this video, we can calculate the length of the median using Pythagoras theorem, and that is equal to 9 root 3 centimeter in this question. Again, as we have seen previously, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. Here we can see the green colored highlighted part in the figure, that is perpendicular distance of centroid from all the three sides of a triangle is equal. Hence, centroid is also the center of a circle inscribed in the triangle, as you can see in the figure. Therefore, the radius of this circle will be one third of the length of the median, which is one third of 9 root 3, that equals to 3 root 3 centimeter. So the area of the circle pi r squared will be equal to 84.78 centimeter squared. So to summarize these two questions, for an equilateral triangle, remember we have solved these two questions that are based on equilateral triangle, hence these conditions are applicable for equilateral triangle only. So for equilateral triangle, the radius of a circle circumscribing the triangle will be 2/3 of the length of the median, and the radius of the circle inscribed in the triangle will be 1/3 of the length of the median. I hope these two questions were cleared, and thank you for watching the video.